Okay, we're going to show you. Everybody sees the rainbow. Imagine this is the ground, right? And everybody sees the rainbow like this, right? Imagine this is Earth over here, okay? And imagine we have Earth over here. So they see the rainbow doing this from Earth to where the pot of gold is, and that's not on the same planet. A real rainbow, I believe, would start off in the corner of a planet for 90 degrees. And the reason for that, okay, that 90 degrees, let's do that again up here. And down here, we're going to call it the two wings. And here is the body. The reason I associate this like this is because of our understanding of 9 and 6. Can you see it? 9 and 6, okay? I'm going to connect the two together if you want to look at it that way. You may have seen that somewhere before. And then I reconnect it this way. Okay, I'm not sure if you've seen this before. It looks like two funny towers, right? Buildings. And then in between, we create the next building. Now, if you take a look at the Twin Towers, they're created the same way. Just you have to have a little bit of an artsy mind to see it. So what we're going to do with this, let me get a little bit more of this table here. Okay, so what happens is we take these two 90-degree angles over here, and we create what is the half rainbow. And the other half rainbow, okay, I just like to create as so. And then when you bring the two rainbows together, you end up with a heart. If you bring both rainbows together on a smaller scale, we end up with bicycle cards, 808, with the king driving the bicycle. And here is between two lovers, creating one body, one hat between two. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. It's very rough. Remember, okay, all science has a base and then a hypothesis of what could be because of. And it's the same thing in my work. Okay, and I'd like to speak, if somebody watches this and they see Tom Numbers, I'd like to speak to him if you want. I'd like to work a little bit with him. I'd like to see what he does. I'd like to learn a little bit more from him. And I want to know if he can use if any of my work can tort and work within his. I know it can, but I'm asking you to take a look. That's Tom Numbers, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus as the wheel goes round and round.